thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eau Claire, Altoona, Lake Holly, Fall Creek, Elk Mound, Eau Claire Airport, and Seymour. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is weather radio station
I should have expected it coming.
We broadcast from the National
Let's see if I
Weather
can get
Service
the
Forecast
thing after
Office
it.
in Chanhassen,
First flash
Minnesota,
flood warning.
on an assigned frequency of
For some reason the watch didn't appear.
162.40 megahertz.
There was a watch before this.
Transmitting from the tower facilities
I only showed on my TV
WHWC television
though.
in
No
Wheeler.
EAS.
The current time is 6:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. in Eau Claire, heavy rain was falling. The visibility would...
I guess I won't show. Should have been prepared. I'm doing stupid things for my school instead. Sorry I missed it. I don't care about this stupid Chromebook. Got TVA. Focus, you dumb shit.
Here's how that works. You can return the machine, or you can print out a working set of lady.
Please repeat. Please repeat. Please.
Oh my god, are you actually thinking of it?
Yes! No! Fuck. I can't believe it. But they got a TVA.
Whereas a ridiculous face lie makes me look good.
Well, fuck. I didn't know. I guess I fixed it. I'll get the next one. I promise. I promise.